Gold yesterday traded with little swings and modest bullishness. We have seen it is struggling again to break beyond 29.55.56, and today again it has shown the same struggle at the same levels. While silver is the one which is traded with bearishness here. What to expect from gold and silver today? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next one will be released before the US session. Press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. And do friends like, share, and comment. That's a great motivation to me for delivering daily, consistently, twice a day. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Now, gold on the hourly charts, I can see a double top here, and I can see a struggle here at 29.55.56. Yes, it has hit slightly a notch higher levels at 29.56.5, but now we can see it struggling to break beyond these levels. Now, see what has happened since then. You can notice after rising, we have seen a sharp correction here, then the retracement, and now it is again trying to take a dip here. Now, see the line here. This line is very crucial. I can see a good support coming in from these levels here. Whenever gold strikes these levels, you can find a support coming in, and thus today 29.35.36 should be the first support, 29.30 should be the second, and then 29.22.24. If these three levels are taken, we can say the bears are back. If these three levels are taken, you can say now gold is ready for another round of drop here. See, drop, retracement, and now if it breaches these levels on the downside all the way towards 29.22.24, we can say that now the bears are back. Else it is right now trying to trade with little retracement, not a reversal here. Yes, it is still trading in this bullish channel, so be mindful of this. Now when you look at the stochastic, this is dropped. The MACD has again crossed over here for a sell, and if you notice the MACD, see a rise, retracement, a modest rise, and again reversing. So not a good sign for the bulls as of now. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour, the observation is more or less same here on the 2 hour charts as well. See a bigger drop than retracement, and now trying to erase some of the gains here. I will recommend you to only sell at 29.40 levels, below which you can expect it to move towards 29. 36.35, the first support zone. As long as 29.35.36 is not taken, we have to be careful with the sells here, and specifically below 29.30.28 is where more bearishness should be there. Stochastic looking down, the MACD trying to converge, not yet crossing over, is still staying in green, and the RSI is trying to trade with modest bearishness. On the 3 hour charts, when you look at, see increasing body size, increasing bearishness, and specifically the current candle where it closes and where the next candle starts and takes, that is going to be very important, because see it is trying to close in red, or it might close in red, that is very clear. Where it closes, any closer below 29.40 and then 29.36.35 should be an indication that the forthcoming candles might take the prices further low. See, it is a double top, and double top means it can try to come back towards the double bottom, which is right now sitting at around 29 22 levels, 29.20 levels. So this is a box in which it is trying to trade almost a $35 zone here. If you look at the stochastic, this is a top, the MACD trying to converge, not yet crossing over here. RSI is also dropped here. Coming to 4 hour. Likewise, on the 4 hour chart, see these candles here getting the support from the downside. We have seen the prices hitting the highs here, but on the upside, the resistance also were pretty strong. Now, what's happening? This could become a reversal sign. I will wait for the closer of the current candle. Any closer around 29.40.38 should be a very good indication of further down move here. But as I said, till towards 29.36.35, we have got very good support here, and then towards 29.30.28, below which you can expect a correction to be there. And yes, very important, it is trading in the box. Similar observation what we had seen on other time frames. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped here. The MACD almost running flat. The RSI is trying to take a dip. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily charts here. What is happening here? You can note. See, we have seen a consolidation for last 4 to 5 days, and yes, we have also seen a struggle on the upside, and yes, the support on the downside playing out very well. It's a sideways zone from which gold has to come out. Any move beyond 29.55.56 and then specifically above 29.62.64 is where you can say now it's time for bulls to take over. Notice uh, body size in green with a tail here. Today again it can try to hit the lows, take the support, and then bounce back. This possibility you cannot ignore, and that is why I say at least till towards 29.35.36, and then towards 29.24.22. As long as this zone is not taken, we should not be treating gold as bearish. Yes, it is bearish only and only if it trades below this zone, else it is not yet confirming any signs of reversal, any signs of bearishness. Also, the price is right now trading from far away from the 20 period, which is right now sitting close to 2890, 2900 levels. And you can also notice another point here is, see, look at the formation. It is forming a cusp here, which suggests that sooner or later the prices need to erase some of. Wait for it to take a clear direction. As long as it is not reaching the support levels here on the downside, we should be careful with the sells though. The stock has ticket top. Now the most important thing is the MACD here on the daily chart. See, after the crossover, it is showing signs of divergence, which suggests increasing bearishness, and the body size is also increasing, which also suggests that we may see greater divergence in the forthcoming candles. Because see, this is the rise what we had seen for the last multiple weeks. It has hit the peak here, and now it is diverging. Now diverging means increasing bearishness or increasing body size, which suggests that the prices can tend to trade lower here. The RSI is also near to overbought levels. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So first thing is way to sell. I will recommend you to sell here at 2940 levels. Expect 2936.35 as the first target zone, 2930.28 as the second, and then towards 2924.22. If these levels are taken, if these levels are breached till 2980, the next nearest support is at 2918. And if 2918 is taken, I think this is a time for gold to confirm a reversal. We can wait for 2908, 2900. Now 2900, 2892, very good support here. Below this, you can expect a greater round of drop towards 2884, 80, and then 2850 as well, but too far expectations, too high expectations for this drop. Gold is not showing any such signs as of now. On the buy side, now it is pretty clear. Buying entry is now only if it trades above 2952, where you can expect 2955.56, and if 2955.56 is taken, we are ready for a greater round of rise towards 2962.64. And if 2962.64 is taken, 2980 is the first target, then 3000 levels, the critical milestone at 3000 levels, should be there very, very soon. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. I am not in favor of such a stronger rise here. Be mindful of this. Let's look at silver. You see, silver on the hourly charts yesterday has moved towards the critical support zone close to $32 levels. Notice it is forming a nice bearish flag here, and now it is trying to see the moving averages have crossed over. These are trading with divergence, these are trading bearish. And notice every drop followed with a retracement, every drop follows with a little retracement. It has still scope till towards 3260, but I will not treat silver as bullish as long as 3280 is not taken. Notice the steps it is created: 33, 33, 20, 33, 32, 80, 32, 60. So this is how it has been trading here. And thus you can buy at 3260, but then it is going to be riskier. As long as 3280 is not taken, the reversal confirmation, the breakout confirmation in silver is only and only if it trades beyond 3280 levels. Beyond this, you can expect 3305 and 3320 levels. Right now, too early to conclude with that. Stock is rising here. MACD hitting the bottom is now looking upwards, showing signs of a further rise. RSI comfortable here. Coming to 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, notice the formation here: drop retracement, drop retracement. Moving averages crossing over here. Definitely it's a strong bearish sign here, because this crossover is appearing after a long time, and now it might try to trade with this bearishness, might deal with it, might stay with this bearishness for a while. Notice now it is after this single candle, it is under retracement, and that is why also I say, as long as now 3280 is not taken, we have to be careful with the buys here. And then specifically beyond 33 is where the reversal confirmation is there. Also on the 2-hour chart, see the current candle is about to close in red. I will wait for the next candle. If at all it tries to move towards 3220 and breaches below 3220, you can say now the bears are taking over. You can look forward to 32. Now 32 is one critical milestone. 32 and 3180 is now the support zone for the day, because below that you can expect 3150, 40, or in fact lower levels. Stock ISIC is rising. MACD trying to cross over. It is not yet crossed over. It's still trading in red. RSI trading flat. On the 3 hour, only worry point is the support. It is shown here at 3220 level. See, multiple candles failing to close below 3220. Very, very important for silver to close below 3220. That is the only confirmation of further bearishness. Here also the moving average is crossing over. Very good sign for the bearishness here. Stochastic rising MACD is still bearish, though notice it has come to the levels from where it shows a crossover here. So I will wait and see how it behaves till towards 3220 levels. RSI comfortable. On the 4 hour charts, and similar is the observation on the 4 hour charts, drop retracement, and see this is the zone around 32 where earlier it has found the support and we have seen it hitting the highs, but when you observe closely it is also delivering lower highs and a flat bottom, which suggests still there is room for a move towards 32, and then at 32 we will decide how it behaves, because below that a greater correction should be there. Stochastic looking upwards here, while the MACD right now trading with divergence, trading bear. Notice when it was bullish we have seen the highs at plus 40, and right now it is just at, you can say, neutral levels, and thus it is still got lot much of room on the downside available. RSI is looking upwards here. Coming to the daily charts, and when you look at the daily, on the daily charts, only one point here to note: the support it has taken from the 20 period moving average, which is a very good sign here, because see, prices were divergent and now it has taken the support. But remember, every support is meant to be broken. Also, look at the last few moves. See, every time it has taken the support, it is followed with a bounce back. The next observation here is, look at the steps. If one bigger bearish candle, a swing, and then a swing candle again. So today it is going to be pretty important for us to observe how it behaves at 32.20 $32 levels, because see, once it accelerates this down move, once it trades below 32, it is going to deliver a massively bearish candle, possibly taking it all the way towards 31.8075, or in fact further lows all the way towards 31.5040. Possibility is there, though the stochastic is dropped here. But look at MACD. This is crossed over, and this crossover is coming after a good amount of retracement, so this suggests possible bearishness in the coming time frames. RSI has also dropped. So looking at selling entry today in gold is silver is only if you see it is staying below 32.20, where you can expect 32 at the first and rather I will say this complete zone between 32.20 and 32 is very, very for silver, and once it slides below 32 you can expect the next targets to be towards 31.75 31.50 levels. Below this a greater correction should follow all the way towards $31 levels, while on the upside a buying entry should be only and only if you see it is staying above 32.60, but with the caution note till 32.80. If it breaks beyond 32.80, that is the point of time you can confirm that the bulls are taking over. That is the point of time you can say now this is the time to reverse, and then once it trades beyond 32.80, 33.05, 33.25, 33.50 has to be there. Appears difficult, but yes, not impossible. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do not miss to watch it. Thank you.